welcome to my channel. This is the second video in the Python series. In this video, I'll tell you how to run Python scripts. So you can run Python scripts using, you can write them in a file and then you can execute them, or otherwise you can directly execute them from terminal. So if in case you want to know that what is the shortcut key for your terminal, by default it is Ctrl plus Alt plus T, and the other way to open is you need to go to text editor and then go to preferences, then go to plugins, and then just check that the external tools checkbox has been checked, and then click close. After that, go to manage external tools, and then you can see here that open terminal here has the shortcut key as Ctrl plus Y. In case you want to change it, just type anything you want, like Ctrl plus Y. You don't need to type it, but you have to press the keys from keyboard, and once it is done, close it. So now I'll tell you how to run Python scripts. So for that, we'll open terminal, and now to enter into Python mode, just type Python 3 or whatever version it is, and the first line will show the Python version. And in case of Windows, you can type all these commands with the help of Python command line. That will be installed once you install Python, and otherwise you can do the same using Python IDLE. So the first thing which we are going to execute in Python is obviously the hello world. For that, we need to print it. Print parentheses double quotes hello world, and then enter. You see that it will print hello world. And in case you are using Windows and you want to use IDLE to run, you want to execute the script from IDLE, then what you need to do is go to file, first open the IDLE, then go to file, and then create a new file, and in that type the Python code or syntax whatever is required, and then click save. And in that file you will find a run option, and in that run, click run module, and once you click that, the output will be seen in IDLE. So that is the way in which we can execute files in IDLE in Windows. And here what we'll do is, now we have seen that how we can execute normal commands in terminal, but if you want to execute the same thing using a file, go to a text editor and then write any Python code. I'll write hello YouTubers, then press enter, and now I need to save the file. I'll name it as first.py, and you need to remember that we have to give .py extension to save it as a Python file. Now it has been saved. So if we want to check the output of this, we'll open a terminal here, and then we'll write Python, name of the file first.py. We'll see here what we see is that hello YouTubers is being displayed, and in case you want to add some more, like adding variables and all those things, then you can do the same by using these files. I know that in Windows and in Ubuntu it is a bit different, but when you see the syntax and everything else, it is the same. The only difference between using Ubuntu and Windows is that Ubuntu is much better than Windows. This is my experience, and while executing Python commands, you need to take care of some minor things, like I told you that in IDLE you have to follow the respective steps, whereas in Ubuntu you just you can use terminal for everything. Or that's it. So in this video I have covered how to run a basic print syntax, and thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.